もっと勉強したらどうですかたらど
Why don't you? Is a phrase that is often used to make a suggestion or recommendation. It means, how about, or why not?
う。娘は泣いたり笑ったりします。たり、たり。
Do such things like is used to list multiple actions or states in a non-exhaustive manner. It indicates that the actions mentioned are just examples, and there may be more.
彼は10分ばかり前に帰ってきたところです。たところ。
Just finished doing was just doing is used to express doing something for someone else as a favor or an act of kindness. It implies that the action is one for the benefit of the other person.
市民たちは市に対する信頼を全く失ってしまった。てしまう。
To do something by accident, to finish completely, is used to indicate completion of an action, often with a nuance of regret or unintended consequences.
あなたのお弁当を食べてすみません。てすみません。
I'm sorry for is a polite expression used to apologize.
それは知らなかった。電話してくれてよかった。てよかった。
I'm glad that is used to express relief or satisfaction about a past action or decision.
私のどんなことを知っておきたいのか。ておく。
To do something in advance is used to indicate doing something in advance or preparing for the future. It implies taking some action now for a later benefit.
家賃は月々の最終木曜日に払ってもらう。てもらう。
To get somebody to do something. Used to express the idea of receiving a favor or having someone do something for you.
何が起こっても頑張るんですよ。ても。
Even if, even though, is a conjunction used to express even if or no matter whether. It indicates a condition that, if fulfilled, doesn't affect the main statement.
急がないと、そろそろ残り時間がなくなってきた。てくる。
To come to become, to continue, is used to indicate the action of coming toward the speaker. It's often used to describe someone bringing something to the speaker.